channel. Welcome back to my channel. Actually, no, welcome when who haven't seen my videos. Welcome to my channel. So I'm in Badlapur right now. I've come with my mom and a friend to my mom's friend's farm. This is called Kota Farm. You should definitely check it out. The link is going to be in description, and it's a super place. And I thought I should vlog it, and they were cool enough to let me vlog, and they were like, "Yeah, of course, it'll be great." And Andy's really busy right now, but yeah, it's a really beautiful place. So stay tuned. So as I was gonna say, I'm already the clip that you saw, the introduction clip of this video is directly from here. So I'm obviously going to show you from the start to the end. I mean the travel part and everything, and I know the video started in the middle only, like me being here, but I'm going to show you from the start to the end, like the travel part. And because I started shooting the video from the car till here, so you will see the whole start to the end. Only the intro is from here, like from Badlapur. Hope you understood. Hey, Chicky. Bye, Chicky. I'm enjoying a garam chai ka pyali right now. It's sorry, my thumb is screaming. It's beautiful out here. It's just too good. I usually enjoy such places. Like I just love like nature or places, not just nature, but like beaches or nature, or like farms. It's just so peaceful here. Beautiful. What are these?
Uh, See, those inside, those are all brinjal,
Okay, here are these ones.
and those the inside the small plants
Okay,
are brinjals,
okay.
and these are marigold.
Wow, they're so beautiful.
See the
There's
Peru.
Peru here.
Just focus on some Peru.
Look at this, guys. Fresh, fresh Perus. Oops. I was gonna
आजा
fall.
वो हम मैं जो पीती हूँ ना वो वाला
So, hi guys, it's now the morning, as you can see, quite sunny out, and oh my god, it's just beautiful out here. Quite sunny right now, so I'm just gonna go back inside. But yeah, there's my mom. My mom is also there. She's planting, no, not planting, I'm sorry, she's watering the plants there. That's what I meant. And it's just so beautiful. Like, just look at the house, just look at it, like the beautiful. You guys definitely need to come here and check out this place. It's great, so peaceful. Like, just to get away from kabhi, work or whatever stress you have. This is one of the right places to come. It's very peaceful and very nice over here. This got my charm. I wanted to explore even more. I'm resting in the room right now, as you can see. Oh my god. It's always, I feel it happens to me, like any trip I go. It's been happening to me in the past like couple of months. Like whenever I go for a trip, it's just like, nah, rao, tumhe pareshan karne. Don't go without me. It's so freaking irritating. And I'm like, now my mom and one niche and they are chilling. It would be like I'd be sitting down only, but just I can't even like stand. I'm too lazy and I'm in so much pain. So, like even like Nietzsche, I was my auntie was like, why do you like? I was like, I'm going up and resting, and they were like, yeah, and then I told like a bunch of and she's like, yeah, but automatically my face, ka mood, and everything comes down, like energy, expression, like a person को लगेगा कि मैं बीमार हूँ, तो वो पता चल जाता है. I don't even have to say it because I actually got a chance. Who doesn't? So we are about to leave. So bye bye. From Badlapur, we are about to leave, and it was an amazing time I had. I enjoyed this place a lot. It's beautiful. Like look at the view, and yeah. So we're leaving in a bit. Everybody's just clicking photos, and yeah, that's it. I'm tired of messy bun, and I don't know what else to say. We're having a good time, and they're calling me Nietzsche, so I'll go down and see you guys in next time. So stay tuned. Bye.